Planning your next adventure? Travel just got a whole lot easier with the latest gadgets. In this video, we're revealing 20 latest travel gadgets on Amazon that will make your trip smarter, safer, and more convenient. From innovative packing solutions to tech tools you didn't know you needed, stay tuned to discover gadgets that can completely transform the way you travel. Number 1. FEEMIC 8x42 Monocular Telescope. The FEEMIC 8x42 Monocular Telescope is perfect for nature lovers and explorers seeking crystal clear views without bulky binoculars. Compact, lightweight, and high-powered, it performs reliably in any weather thanks to its waterproof and fog-proof design. The ergonomic grip and hand strap make extended use comfortable, whether spotting wildlife, hiking trails, or scenic landscapes. This monocular enhances every adventure, transforming ordinary sightseeing into an unforgettable, detailed experience with remarkable clarity. Number 2. Branden X Large Packing Cube Travel Organizer. The Branden X Large Packing Cube simplifies travel by maximizing luggage space and keeping items neatly organized. Its self-compression feature compresses clothes efficiently, while the durable, lightweight design ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for separating outfits, accessories, or shoes on trips of any length, it keeps packing and unpacking stress-free. Perfect for family vacations, business trips, or weekend getaways, this packing cube brings convenience and order to every journey. Number 3. Green Action Waterproof Golf Cart Bag. The Green Action waterproof golf cart bag is ideal for golfers who travel, protecting clubs from rain, dust, and rough handling. Lightweight, yet durable, it features padded shoulder straps for easy carrying and multiple compartments for balls, tees, shoes, and personal items. Perfect for tournaments, weekend retreats, or daily rounds. This bag combines practicality with style. Its water-resistant construction ensures your equipment stays safe and organized, making every golf trip hassle-free and enjoyable. Number 4. WOLT Basketball Backpack with Ball Holder. The WOLT Basketball Backpack with Ball Holder is designed for basketball enthusiasts needing organization and convenience. It features a dedicated basketball compartment plus ample space for clothes, bottles, and accessories. Constructed with durable, weather-resistant materials, it withstands daily wear while padded straps ensure comfort even when fully loaded. Perfect for teens, adults, and athletes on the move, this backpack keeps sports gear secure and easily accessible while combining practicality with a sleek, modern design. Number 5. Queen of the Court Pickleball Tote Bag. The Queen of the Court Pickleball Tote Bag is perfect for players traveling to courts or tournaments. With separate compartments for paddles, balls, and accessories, it keeps gear organized and protected. Water-resistant and durable, it withstands outdoor conditions, while lightweight construction ensures easy carrying with shoulder straps or handles. Compact yet sturdy, it fits seamlessly in car trunks or alongside luggage, making it an essential companion for pickleball enthusiasts seeking convenience, protection, and hands-free travel. Number 6. Smazrob Football Equipment Backpack. The Smazrob Football Equipment Backpack is ideal for athletes carrying cleats, jerseys, and other essentials. Its large main compartment and smaller pockets organize personal items, while the weather-resistant fabric ensures durability in outdoor conditions. Padded straps and a ventilated back panel provide comfort during long walks, making it perfect for practices, tournaments, or overnight trips. Reliable, spacious, and practical, this backpack keeps football gear secure and accessible for players of all ages on the go. Number 7. ToAuite 5K Vlogging Digital Camera. The ToAuite 5K Vlogging Digital Camera is perfect for travelers and content creators seeking ultra-sharp video quality. Its 5K resolution and built-in stabilization deliver smooth cinematic footage even while moving. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry on adventures, and the intuitive touchscreen interface offers multiple shooting modes for vlogs, cinematic projects, or snapshots. Combining professional-grade performance with portability, this camera ensures your travel memories are captured with stunning clarity and detail wherever you go. Number 8. FocusGear Ultimate Gym Duffel Bag. The FocusGear Ultimate Gym Duffel Bag is versatile for workouts and short trips, offering spacious compartments for clothing, shoes, toiletries, and gadgets. Multiple pockets help separate clean and dirty items, while sturdy handles and shoulder straps provide easy carrying. Made with durable, water-resistant materials, it withstands daily wear and travel stress. Sleek and stylish for both men and women, this duffel bag keeps your belongings secure, organized, and ready for gym sessions or weekend getaways without hassle. Number 9. Aomiker Waterproof Bike Frame Bag. The Aomiker Waterproof Bike Frame Bag is a must-have for cyclists seeking convenience and protection. It mounts securely to the bike frame, storing essentials like phones, tools, and snacks while keeping them dry in any weather. Its durable, waterproof design resists rain and mud, while easy-access zippers allow quick retrieval on the move. Lightweight and streamlined, it doesn't interfere with riding performance, making it perfect for day trips, long-distance rides, or commuting with gear safely and efficiently. Number 10. Zuihug 10-Compartment Travel Pill Organizer. The Zuihug 10-Compartment Travel Pill Organizer makes managing medications on the go simple and stress-free. Each compartment holds daily doses, vitamins, or supplements, while the clear, labeled design prevents mix-ups. Compact and lightweight, it fits into backpacks, suitcases, or carry-ons, and its secure closures prevent spills during travel. Durable and practical, this organizer ensures your pills stay safe, accessible, and well-arranged, making long trips or daily routines easier and more organized for anyone managing medications. Number 11. LISEN Travel Gadgets 2025. Gift Set. The LISEN Travel Gadgets 2025 gift set is perfect for travelers who love convenience and innovation. Packed with useful accessories, it includes essential items for organizing, protecting, and enhancing any trip. Compact and thoughtfully designed, each gadget fits easily into luggage or carry-ons, making travel stress-free. Ideal as a gift for frequent flyers or adventurers, this set combines practicality and creativity, ensuring that every journey is smoother, more organized, and enjoyable. Number 12. FlyHugz Memory Foam Neck Travel Pillow. The FlyHugz Memory Foam Neck Travel Pillow offers ultimate comfort for long journeys. Its ergonomic design supports the neck and shoulders, reducing strain and stiffness during flights, car rides, or train trips. Soft yet supportive, the memory foam adapts to your body shape for restful sleep on the go. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits in your luggage or carry-on. Perfect for travelers seeking relaxation and comfort, this pillow transforms any travel experience into a restful one. Number 13. Penkou Portable Hands-Free Neck Fan. The Penkou Portable Hands-Free Neck Fan is a game-changer for staying cool on the go. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it rests comfortably around your neck while providing powerful airflow to keep you refreshed. Rechargeable and quiet, it's ideal for outdoor activities, travel, or commuting in hot weather. Adjustable speeds let you customize the breeze, while the hands-free design keeps you free to move. Perfect for anyone seeking portable, personal cooling wherever they are. Number 14. Quatish Portable Travel Utensils Set. The Quatish Portable Travel Utensils Set is perfect for eco-conscious travelers who want convenience on the go. Compact and lightweight, it includes all essential utensils for meals during trips, camping, or outdoor adventures. Made from durable, eco-friendly materials, it's easy to clean and store in luggage or backpacks. With a dedicated carrying case, it keeps items organized and hygienic. Ideal for anyone who wants practical, reusable utensils while traveling without compromising on portability or style. Number 15. Coleman Mini First Aid Kit 27-piece. The Coleman Mini First Aid Kit is a compact, must-have travel essential. With 27 pieces, it covers minor cuts, scrapes, and emergencies, keeping you prepared wherever you go. Its portable case fits neatly into backpacks, luggage, or car compartments. Lightweight, yet durable, the kit ensures your medical supplies remain organized and accessible. Perfect for travelers, hikers, campers, or daily use, it provides peace of mind and reliable first aid protection in a small, convenient package. Number 16. Travos TSA Travel Locks 4-pack. The Travos TSA Travel Locks 4-pack offers reliable security for luggage on trips. TSA approved, they allow airport security to inspect bags without damage, while sturdy construction deters theft. Each lock features a unique combination for personalized safety and is compact enough to fit standard zippers. Perfect for travelers, business trips, or vacations, this set ensures peace of mind, keeping belongings secure throughout every journey without adding bulk or hassle. Number 17. FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch. The FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch is essential for tech-savvy travelers. Designed to keep cables, chargers, earbuds, and small gadgets neatly stored, it prevents tangles and clutter in luggage or backpacks. Lightweight, compact, and durable, it ensures easy access to all electronic essentials on the go. Perfect for business trips, vacations, or daily commuting, this pouch makes organization effortless while protecting devices and accessories from damage or loss. Number 18. ToAuite Waterproof Travel Shoe Bags 5-pack. The ToAuite Waterproof Travel Shoe Bags 5-pack is ideal for keeping footwear organized and protected during travel. Made from durable, water-resistant material, they prevent dirt, moisture, and odors from spreading to clothing or luggage. Lightweight and foldable, each bag fits neatly into suitcases, backpacks, or gym bags. Perfect for travelers, gym goers, or outdoor enthusiasts, this set keeps shoes separate, secure, and clean, making packing and unpacking faster and more convenient. Number 19. LitBear 3 Decontoured Sleep Mask. The LitBear 3 Decontoured Sleep Mask provides unmatched comfort and total darkness for restful sleep while traveling. Its contoured design avoids pressure on the eyes, while adjustable straps ensure a secure fit for all head sizes. Lightweight and breathable, it blocks light effectively for naps on planes, trains, or in hotel rooms. Ideal for travelers seeking relaxation and improved sleep quality, this mask turns any environment into a calm, dark space for restorative rest. Number 20. Downy Travel Wrinkle Release Spray 3-pack. The Downy Travel Wrinkle Release Spray 3-pack helps keep clothes fresh and wrinkle-free while on the go. Perfect for suitcases, backpacks, or hotel stays, it quickly smooths wrinkles from shirts, dresses, and travel attire without ironing. Compact and convenient, the spray is easy to carry and use anytime, anywhere. Ideal for frequent travelers or business trips, it ensures clothing looks neat and presentable, making packing and last-minute outfit preparation effortless and stress-free. That wraps up our list of the 20 latest travel gadgets on Amazon. These innovative tools make packing, organizing, and traveling easier than ever. Upgrade your adventures and enjoy smarter, more convenient trips every time.